Are you ready to make 2024 your year of financial freedom? Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your investments to the next level, today I'm breaking down the top 5 investment strategies to build wealth like a pro. No fluff, no jargon, just actionable tips to help you crush your money goals. Let's get into it. Strategy number 1. Invest in index funds. Here's why. Index funds are low-cost, diversified, and ideal for beginners. They track the market, so instead of betting on individual stocks, you're investing in the entire economy. Think of it like planting seeds across a whole field rather than putting all your money into one risky crop. For example, the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of about 10% over the last century. That's serious compounding power. If you start with just $100 a month and let it grow, you could retire a millionaire. Check out platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity to get started with as little as $50 or $100. Next up, maximize your tax-advantaged accounts. If you're not using an IRA or a 401k, you're leaving free money on the table. Your 401k contributions lower your taxable income, and many employers match your contributions, literally free money. For IRAs, you have options like the Roth IRA, which lets you grow your investments tax-free. Imagine paying zero taxes on your $1 million nest egg. Sounds good, right? Set a goal to max out these accounts in 2024. That's $22,500 for a 401k and $6,500 for an IRA, or more if you're over 50. Strategy number 3, dabble in real estate. I know what you're thinking, I don't have the cash to buy a house. But hear me out. Platforms like Fundrise and REITs, which are real estate investment trusts, let you invest in real estate with as little as $10. You get exposure to rental income and property appreciation without ever dealing with tenants. And for those with a little more saved up, consider house hacking. Buy a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the other. It's a great way to build equity while keeping costs low. Now, strategy number 4 might surprise you. Invest in yourself. No stock or property will ever match the ROI of skills and knowledge. Learn high-income skills like coding, digital marketing, or copywriting. Invest in courses, attend conferences, or hire a mentor. In 2024, you are your biggest asset. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Finally, automate and diversify. This is the secret sauce to staying consistent and minimizing risk. Set up automatic contributions to your investments so you're growing your wealth without even thinking about it. And diversify across asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, even crypto if you're feeling adventurous. Automation ensures consistency. Diversification protects you from market swings. Together, they create unstoppable momentum for your wealth journey. So there you have it. The top 5 investment strategies to build wealth in 2024. Now it's your turn. Which strategy will you start with? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Money Moves, and share this with a friend who's ready to level up their finances. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but every move you make gets you closer to financial freedom. See you in the next video.